Hey there, I'm going to show you how to open up a PDF in Google Drive so that it will open into an editable document. So I'm just in my regular Google Drive and I'm going to go to New and I'm going to go to File Upload and I'm just going to pick, I'll do this how to use your cell phone document. So this is a PDF and I'm going to hit Open. All right, so it has uploaded my documents. I'm going to go to my document. And right up here, I'm going to go to Open with Google Docs. It's now going to make this into a Google Doc. It won't be the prettiest thing in the world, but it does get all of the information in there and in a way that you can go in and edit it for your needs. So as you can see, the formatting is a little bit off and there's like a whole page of blank space up here, but we can go in and change that up pretty quickly to make this into what we need. So that's an option for getting your PDFs into a editable document.